Let us start the session. Today we are going to start multiple choice questions of chapter 2 from polynomials. This is part 2. So we'll continue from question number 21 because 20 questions we have done in part 1. So let us start with the 21st question. 21 question. If one zero of 3x square plus 8x plus k be the reciprocal of the other, then k is equals to, we have to find. So let one zero is alpha. So what will be the other zero?
1 by alpha.
Very good. 1 by alpha. Okay. Be the zeros of 3x square, ये square है, minus 8x plus k. Right. So now what is the product of 0 here? C by a.
6.
So what you will get? K by 3. So product of zeros is k by 3. And the zeros are also alpha into 1 upon alpha. So we will multiply these two. Alpha into 1 upon alpha is equals to k by 3. So what is alpha into 1 upon alpha?
1.
1. Right. So 1 is equals to k by 3. So k is equals to 3. Very good. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 22. If the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial kx square plus 2x plus 3k is equal to the product of its zero, मतलब alpha plus beta is equals to alpha beta. Question is clear?
Yes.
Right. So first we will find alpha plus beta. What is the formula of alpha plus beta?
Minus B by
Right. So what you will get from here?
minus 2 by k.
Minus 2 by k. Very good. And what is the formula for alpha beta?
C by
C by a. So what you will get from here?
3.
3k by k. 3k by k कितना होता है?
3.
3. Right. So we got alpha plus beta is equals to minus 2 by k and alpha into beta is equals to 3. Now according to the question it is given that the sum of 0 is equals to the product of 0. That is alpha plus beta is equals to alpha beta. So this is nothing but this is minus 2 by k is equals to 3. So what is the value of k?
Minus 2 by 3.
Very good. Minus 2 by 3. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D. Right. Option D. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 23. If alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 6x plus 2, then 1 upon alpha plus 1 upon beta is equals to dash. So first of all we are going to find the sum and product. Okay. So what is the sum? This is x square minus b by a. So what you will get here?
Minus 6.
Minus 6. And product of zeros is
C by A.
what you will get here?
2.
2. Right. So alpha plus beta we got minus 6 and alpha into beta we got 2. Right. And we have to find the value of this expression. So इसको LCM लेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा?
Beta plus alpha by alpha beta.
Right. Very good. We can write alpha plus beta upon alpha beta also. That is minus 6 upon 2. And what is minus 6 upon 2?
Minus 3.
Minus 3. Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B. Right. So now we are moving toward question number 24. Find the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay. So first we will equate with 0. Now we will factorize. Product यहाँ पे minus 8 है और sum minus 2 है. Okay. P and S. तो 8 का दो फैक्टर जिसका डिफरेंस 2 होना चाहिए.
4
राइट. 4 and 2. क्योंकि सम का साइन नेगेटिव इसलिए minus 4 plus 2. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. So minus 4x plus 2x. So what is the common between these two?
X.
X here
Plus 4.
2. Right. So we got two factors. X minus 4 into x plus 2. So what are the two values of x?
4 and 2.
minus 2.
Right. 4 and minus 2. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 25. if alpha, beta, gamma are the zeros of the polynomial x cube minus 6x square minus x plus 30, then value of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. See, there is a big doubt for cubic polynomial. Earlier also it was not mentioned in the syllabus, but एग्जाम में आता था, क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल से रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन आए हुए हैं। एंड नाउ ऑल्सो डिलीटेड पोर्शन में केवल डिवीजन ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल्स डिलीटेड हुआ है, तो इसलिए ये कर लो, करके छोड़ दो। ओके, सो वी हैव 3 formulas in relation between coefficients and zeros in cubic polynomial. First is alpha plus beta plus gamma, that is minus b by a, and the second one is this one, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is sum of zeros, sum of two zeros taken at sum of the product of two zeros taken two at a time. So that is c by a, and the last formula is alpha beta gamma, that is product of zeros is equals to what?
Minus d by a.
Very good, minus d by a. Okay, so the value of a is 1 here, the value of b is minus 6, the value of c is minus 1, and the value of d is 30. And what is the formula of this expression?
C by A.
C by A, right. That is coefficient of x upon coefficient of x cube, right. So this is the formula, and coefficient of x is minus 1 and the coefficient of x cube is 1. So minus 1 upon 1, what you will get? Minus 1, right. So correct option?
Option A.
Option A, right. So this is 25th question. Now we are moving toward question number 26. यहाँ पे product of zeros हम लोग को निकालना है. So just now I told you that alpha beta gamma is equals to minus d by a. And what is the value of d here?
Plus 6.
Plus 6. And a?
Plus 2.
Plus 2, right. So alpha beta gamma is minus d by a or minus constant term upon coefficient of x cube, right? So that is minus 6 upon 2. What is minus 6 upon 2?
Minus 3.
Minus 3, right. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A.
Option A, right. Now we are moving toward question number 27. If alpha, beta, gamma be the zeros of the polynomial such that alpha plus beta plus gamma is equals to 3, alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equals to minus 10, and alpha beta gamma is equals to minus 24, then what is the cubic polynomial, right? So we have one formula. यहाँ पे ये सारे values दिए हुए हैं. This is the formula: x cube minus alpha plus beta plus gamma x square plus alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha into x minus alpha beta gamma. Right? No, just we have to substitute in this formula. So ये 3 है और ये minus 10 है और ये minus 24 है. So we are getting this polynomial. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C. Very good. So now we are moving toward question number 28. If two of the zeros of the cubic polynomial is 0, then the third zero is, right. तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे, पहले sum of zeros निकालेंगे. What is the formula of sum of zeros?
Minus b by a.
Very good. And let the zeros be alpha 0 0, क्योंकि क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है कि दो zeros 0 है, right. Now we are going to use the formula sum of zeros, that is minus b by a. So that is alpha plus beta, sorry, alpha plus 0 plus 0 is minus b by a. So alpha कितना होगा?
Minus B by A.
Right. So which option is the correct one?
Option A.
Option A.
Right. Option A is the correct one. Now 29th question. If one of the zeros of the cubic polynomial is 0, then the product of the other two zeros is, right. So very good question. So what is the sum of the product of zeros? Formula. Taking two at a time.
C by A.
C by A. Very good. So यहाँ पर हम लोग अल्फा बीटा और जीरो ले रहे हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पे 1 0 0 दिया हुआ है. So sum of the product of zeros taken two at a time is given by this formula C by A. So यहाँ पे देखो ये भी 0 हो जाएगा और ये भी 0 हो जाएगा. So alpha beta will be equals to C by A. So which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B. ये क्वेश्चन समझ में आया ना? Product of other two zeros निकालना. So बहुत easy question है ये. Right. Now we are moving toward question number 30. Now this is difficult question. Difficult means easy नहीं है. If alpha beta be the zeros of the polynomial 2x square plus 5x plus k such that alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equals to 21 by 4. Now we need to find the value of k. Okay, fine. So first of all we will find alpha plus beta and alpha beta. Right? So what is alpha plus beta? Formula?
Minus B by
Minus b by a. So what you will get from here?
Minus 5.
Minus 5 by 2. Very good. And alpha beta?
C by A.
C by a. So what you will get from here?
K by 2.
A by A.
K by 2. Right. So we got alpha plus beta minus 5 by 2 and alpha beta k by 2. Now what is given that alpha square plus beta square plus alpha beta is equals to 21 by 4. And alpha square plus beta square हम लोग a square plus b square का फॉर्मूला था. देखो क्या लिख सकते हैं? अल्फा प्लस बीटा होल स्क्वायर माइनस वेरी गुड माइनस 2 अल्फा बीटा. और यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी एक अल्फा बीटा दिया हुआ है तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? माइनस अल्फा बीटा. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we will substitute alpha plus beta, that is minus 5 by 2, and here k by 2. Substitute कर दिया. So this will become 25 by 4, right? Minus k square is equals to 21 by 4. इन दोनों को इंटरचेंज कर दो. तो 21 by 4 इधर आएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. माइनस k स्क्वायर राइट हैंड साइड में जाएगा तो सॉरी ये k स्क्वायर नहीं है ना, दिस इज k by 2. This is k by 2, right? So minus k by 2 इधर जाएगा तो प्लस k by 2 हो जाएगा और 21 by 4 लेफ्ट साइड में जाएगा तो माइनस हो जाएगा. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what you are going to get here?
1.
4 by 4. That is 1.
1.
So what is the value of k?
2.
ये 1 हो जाएगा तो k is equals to 2 हो जाएगा. So which option is the correct one?
Option D.
Option D. Right. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 31. Fine. So if alpha beta are the zeros of kx square minus 2x plus 3k. Actual में question ये है x square है. Okay. So x square minus 2x plus 3k such that alpha plus beta is equals to alpha beta. Right. So our polynomial is x square minus 2x plus 3k. Right. So what is the value of a here?
So 1.
1. B
Minus 2.
minus 2 and C
3.
3k, right? So comparing the polynomial with ax square plus bx plus c, we got 1 minus 2 and means a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 2 and c is equals to 3k. Now we know that the sum of zeros is equals to minus b by a. So minus 2 by 1. So that is we are getting 2. Alpha plus beta is equals to 2. Okay. And the product of zeros is given by formula c by a. C is 3k and a is 1. So we are getting 3k only. Now in the question it is given that alpha plus beta is equals to alpha beta. That means 2 is equals to 3k. So what is the value of k?
2 by 3.
2 by 3. So which is the correct option?
Option C.
Option C, right. Okay. एक्चुअल में मैं पहले k लेके ही सॉल्व कर रहा था, लेकिन क्या हुआ कि एक क्वेश्चन हम लोग किए थे अभी देखो जस्ट थोड़ी देर पहले, वहाँ पे k था. सो क्वेश्चन चेंज करने के लिए मैं k को 1 कर दिया, मैं मतलब k हटा दिया, लेकिन इसमें करेक्ट करना भूल गया. ओके, समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 32. So 32 question, it is given that the difference between the zeros of 4x square minus 8kx plus 9 is 4 and k is greater than 0, right? Then k is equals to what? सो क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ डिफरेंस बिटवीन टू जीरोस इज 4. अगर एक अल्फा होगा तो दूसरा अल्फा माइनस 4 हो सकता है या अल्फा प्लस 4 हो सकता है. इज दैट क्लियर? हम लोग पॉजिटिव वैल्यू लेंगे
Yes.
अल्फा प्लस 4. So let the two zeros be alpha and alpha plus 4. Now we will compare the given quadratic polynomial with the standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c. Right? Now you tell me what is the value of a?
4.
4. What is the value of b?
minus
Minus
8.
Very good. What is the value of c?
Plus 9.
Plus 9.
Plus 9. Right. Now the sum of zeros formula
Minus
Minus b by a.
minus b by a. Right. Don't confuse with roots word because you have already studied quadratic polynomial, quadratic equation, right? So alpha plus 4 is equals to minus b by a. Minus b is a minus 8k and a is 4. So this step is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we are getting 2 alpha plus 4 here. Okay. 2 alpha plus 4 here. And here what we are going to get?
2k.
2k.
2k. Fine. So 2 alpha plus 4 is equals to 2k. Right? सबको 2 से divide कर दो. What you will get?
Alpha plus 2 equals to k.
Yes, alpha plus 2 is equals to k. So we can write alpha is equals to k minus 2. Let it be equation number 1. Okay. So now we are going to take the product of zeros. What is the product of zeros formula?
c by a.
C by a.
C by a, right? And c is 9 and a is 4. So we are getting alpha into alpha plus 4 is equals to 9 by 4. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now we will substitute the value of alpha here. That is k minus 2. Chalo substitute kar diye. Right. So this we will get k plus 4. K plus 2, sorry. K minus 2 into k plus 2 is equals to 9 by 4. What is k minus 2 into k plus 2?
K square
K
minus
square
4.
minus 4.
Very good. K square minus 4. Now minus 4 you shift to this side. Right? Or what we can do, we can multiply the denominator to here. So denominator को multiply कर लेते, ज़्यादा better है. 4k square minus 16 is equals to 9. Shift minus 16 to this side, it will become plus 16. So 4k square 25 हो जाएगा. And k square 25 by 4. So what is the value of k?
5 by 2.
5 by 2.
Okay. Actually plus minus 5 by 2 है, but we are not taking minus sign. क्यों? क्योंकि k is greater than 0, it is given in the question. So the correct answer is 5 by 2. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. Okay, so now we are moving toward question number 33. Total 35 questions हैं. Find the zeros of the polynomial x square plus 2x minus 195. Right. So first what we will do, we will equate with 0. Okay, let p of x is equals to x square plus 2x minus 195. We will equate with 0. Now factorize, splitting the middle term. So 195, product is 195 and factors sum is plus 2. So 192 का दो फैक्टर जिसका डिफरेंस 2 होना चाहिए.
15 and minus 30.
ऑलरेडी यहाँ पर देखो ऑप्शंस में 15 और 13 दिख ही रहा है. सो 15 और 13 मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 195 आता है. सो क्योंकि सम का साइन प्लस है इसलिए प्लस 15 और दूसरा माइनस. सो प्लस 15x माइनस 13x. ये स्प्लिटिंग द मिडिल टर्म समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
राइट. मुझे ज़्यादा एक्सरसाइज नहीं करना पड़ा क्योंकि ऑप्शन में देखो 13-15 दिख रहा है. पूरे ऑप्शन में 13-15. सो 13-15 कंफर्म है. प्रोडक्ट भी 195 आ रहा है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द कॉमन बिटवीन दिस टू टर्म?
X.
x. Here
Minus
Minus
30.
minus 19, right, minus 13. So we got two factors, that is x plus 15 into x minus 19. So what are the two values?
Minus
Minus
15 and plus 30.
Yes, minus 15 and plus 13. So which option is the correct one?
Option C.
Option C, right. Now we are moving toward question number 34. If one zero of the polynomial a square plus 9 x square plus 13x plus 6a is the reciprocal of the other, find the value of a. So first of all, the polynomial is given a square plus 9 x square plus 13x plus 6 है. Okay, so हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इक्वल टू 0 नहीं करेंगे. यहाँ पे स्मॉल a ऑलरेडी दिया हुआ है, तो कैपिटल A लेंगे a प्लस 9 और कैपिटल B माइनस 13 और कैपिटल C 6 है. दिस इज क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now it is given that one 0 is the reciprocal of the other. So if one 0 is alpha, what is the other 0?
1 upon alpha.
Very good. So let alpha and 1 upon alpha be the two zeros. Now, if we multiply alpha and 1 upon alpha, we will get 1. Right? So we are going to take only product. So product of zeros, what is the formula?
C by A.
C by A.
Right. And product of zeros is alpha into 1 upon alpha is equals to C by A. That is 6A by A square plus 9. So here these two will be cancelled and we are getting 1. Okay. So now cross multiply. So we are going to get A square plus 9 is equals to 6A. Shift my 6A to this side. So we'll get A square minus 6A plus 9 is equals to 0. This is in the form of perfect square. ध्यान से देखो, a square minus 2 into a into 3 plus 3 square. So इसको कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग?
A minus 3 whole square.
Very good. A minus 3 whole square. And this will imply a minus 3 is equals to 0. So what is the final answer of a?
Plus 3.
3.
Plus 3. So which option is the correct one?
Option
Option A.
Option A. Right. Okay. So now we are moving toward the last question, 35th question. If alpha beta are the zeros of the polynomial f of x is equals to x square minus 5x plus k such that alpha minus beta is equals to 1. Find the value of k. Right. So alpha minus beta already given. So हम लोग क्या करेंगे? We will find alpha plus beta from this one. Okay. So what is the formula of alpha plus beta?
minus B by
Minus
A.
B by A.
Very good. And what is the value of a here?
1.
1. B.
Minus 5.
C.
1.
K. Right. So we will compare with first ax square plus bx plus c. This is square. So we'll get a is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 5 and c is equals to k. Okay. And alpha plus beta, we know that it is minus b by a. So minus b by a means minus 5 by 1. And that is equals to
5.
Five.
Plus
5.
5.
So alpha plus beta is equals to 5. This is equation number 1. And it is given in the question alpha minus beta is equals to 1. So हम लोग इन दोनों को solve करेंगे. So first we will add. अगर add करेंगे तो ये दोनों cancel हो जाएगा. So we will get 2 alpha is equals to 6. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So alpha is equals to
3. 3.
3. Now what will be the value of beta if you substitute here?
Plus
2.
2.
2.
Right. 3 plus beta is equals to 5. So beta is equals to 2 we are going to get. अब हम लोग को k value निकालना है. And k is c. So we are going to use product of zeros formula. What is the formula of product of zeros?
C by A.
C by
C
A.
by A. Very good. So alpha beta is equals to c by a. So alpha beta means 3 into 2 and this is k by 1. So what is the value of k?
6.
Plus
6.
6. Which option is the correct one?
Option B.
Option B.
Option B. Right. Very good. So very good question. So this is the last question. And in the next session we are going to do the multiple choice questions based on chapter number 3, that is linear equation in 2 variable. Okay. So tomorrow also I will inform the timings. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.